Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. This wig was sent to me from Eva Wigs. I'll have all of their information, promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. Don't forget to check down below before you leave. When I opened up my package, I received a wig cap, a user manual, a comb, as well as some bobby pins. The wig that I was sent is a 20-inch body wave wig. It does have 150% density. It features their brand new HD transparent lace. This wig has 6 inches of parting space. It does come with 4 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. Here's a close-up of how the HD lace looks in comparison to your typical Swiss lace. So the HD lace has much larger holes, as you can see on the left, and the actual material is much thinner than the lace on the right, which has smaller holes and the material is a bit thicker. So as you can see straight out of the package, this wig looks so natural. This is what we mean, companies. This is what we mean when we want or order a pre-plucked wig. This is exactly what we want to see from our frontals and our wigs from now on. Like, they did a really good job. And not only did they do a good job on the plucking, but they also bleached the knots for us so we don't have to worry about doing that step at all. This wig is ready to be worn straight out of the package. I do not have on a wig cap at all. I'm going to zoom in so that you guys can see, but yeah, no wig cap at all, and it's looking pretty good, and it doesn't even have a fake scalp. This hair is super soft. It moves really well. I am overall super impressed with the quality of this wig. It doesn't look like I have to do any customizations to this wig at all. I'm not going to tint the lace. I am not going to pluck anything from the hairline. I'm just going to cut layers into this wig, curl it, and then I'm going to install it. I want to style this wig going out of my face and kind of being feathery and wispy on the sides. So I'm just going to grab my shears and I'm just going to layer the sides of this hair so that when I curl it, it gives me that perfect wispy effect on the left and the right sides of my head. Okay, so now that we're done cutting the hair, I'm going to grab my Chi Air Spin and Curl curling iron, as well as this 44 Iron Guard heat protectant, also by Chi. I'm going to spray that Iron Guard heat protectant all over the hair, and then I am going to part it down the center of the wig, and I'm basically sectioning it off into a left side and a right side, and I want my curls to go out of my face, so the curls on the left side will be going in a different direction than the curls on the right side. I'm going to grab that curling iron and I am basically going to take small sections and allow it to do its magic. I allow it to spin and process a total of 3 times, and then I leave the hair inside of the chamber for a few seconds. When it beeps 4 times, that alerts me and lets me know that the curl has completely cooled down and is ready to be released from the chamber. So once I get to the top of the head, I'm going to do a horizontal part. I'm going to have very flat and wide sections. I'm going to curl each section. It's going to be 2 sections on each side of the middle part. And then I am going to allow that curl to cool, remove the curl from the chamber. After the curl is removed from the chamber, I'm just going to use my hand and mold that curl into a pin curl. I'm going to use a bobby pin, pin pin curl down, and I'm going to do that for the left and the right sides of this wig. I know that sounded like a lot, and I know it was probably confusing, but I can show you better than I can explain. Alright, so now it's time to install this wig. I'm going to speed through this part. The first thing that I'm going to do is grab some Got2b. I'm going to put that on my edges, and I'm going to basically just make sure that my hair is completely out of the way because we will be using glue to install this wig. After I apply the Got2b to my hairline, I am going to use a comb to just comb that hair back. I'm going to put my headscarf on and then blow dry it just to make sure that it hardens and molds the hair. Next, I'm grabbing 90% alcohol as well as a scalp protector, and I am wiping in front of my hairline just to make sure that my skin is completely clean and that the glue has something to grip onto. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to try it on, and I'm going to make sure that the wig is perfectly aligned and in the correct placement. I'm going to make sure that the comb in the back is lining up to the center of my nape. I'm going to make sure that the ear tabs are in the correct placement. And then I'm going to grab my scissors and I'm going to cut the frontal portion of this wig into 3 sections. The glue of choice today is Bold Hold. I'm grabbing a piece of random cardboard. I'm going to pour some of that glue onto the cardboard. I am using the tip of a comb, and I am going to apply this glue in very thin layers. Because I did cut that frontal into 3 different sections, I am going to work in sections to apply this wig. Because I am removing this wig right after this video, I am going to only apply 1 layer of the glue. Grabbing my blow dryer, I'm going to make sure that the glue is about 80% clear. Next, I'm going to grab the rat tail end of a comb, and I am just going to press the lace into that glue. I'm going to do this for the left and the right sides of my head, and I will come back when I'm finished. I do want to point out that because of my hairline being so low, a lot of times I do end up getting glue on the tips of my hairline. As you can see, some of my hair is coated in that glue, but I do have a remover that I use that helps me get this glue off of my hair, and it does release the glue from the lace as well. I do recommend investing in a glue remover and an adhesive remover if you are planning on using glue with any type of wig. So I do have a video on the ones that I recommend. I will have that posted somewhere down below or somewhere on the screen if you are interested. All right, so now I'm grabbing Stop Shine. I'm applying that directly to where the glue is. I'm going to blow dry it, and then we are going to be ready for the next step. Next, I'm grabbing my flyaway tamer and a hot comb, and I am basically just going to mold the hair into the style that I want it to be in. Using an eyebrow razor, I'm just going to cut away the extra lace. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you have not already. I'll have all of the information to this company, some promo codes, and direct links to this wig down below in the description box. Don't forget to check down below for more information. I did want to show you guys how this wig looks with and without baby hairs. Let me know which one you prefer. Do you prefer your wigs with baby hairs? Do you prefer the wigs without baby hairs? I wanted to make sure that I did really natural and minimal baby hairs just for a really nice, polished, clean look. Leave your comments down below, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's beige, Ojai.